Welcome to the Launch Lady Show. If you're here, you're probably feeling that familiar pull, the one that says you're meant to build something bigger, but you're doing it with a brain that refuses to stay inside the lines. You're tired of pretending that you operate the way other entrepreneurs do, and honestly, you're done trying. I'm Brooke, the Launch Lady, a custom launch strategist, digital business designer, and a woman who spent years shape-shifting into versions of myself that looked acceptable, disciplined, and together, until I realized that none of those things are me. So now I build my business the only way that works, by honoring my instincts, my energy cycles, my chaos, my clarity, and the deeply nonlinear becoming that comes with being a neurodivergent woman in entrepreneurship. And that's what this show is. It's a behind the scenes look at what it actually takes to become the kind of woman who launches. Not just launching offers, but ideas, identities, boundaries, and entirely new versions of ourselves. Around here, I tell the truth. Your business won't grow in a straight line. Your creativity won't show up on command. Your brain will do its own thing, and that thing is often pure genius when you stop trying to force it into a blueprint that was never designed for you. We don't build by squeezing ourselves into someone else's system. We build by creating businesses that bend with us, that support us, and make space for who we actually are. This isn't a place for perfect strategies or step-by-step formulas. This is real, evolving, unfiltered journey of what it looks like to create a life and a business that you're proud of, while learning, unlearning, remembering, and rebuilding ourselves in real time. My mission is simple. I want to show you what's possible, to remind you that your brain is not a liability, it's a creative force, and to walk beside you as you become the woman who launches the life she actually wants. All right, you beautiful brain chaos, you. Let's dive in. In this week's episode, I want to talk to you about cash infusion offers and how we can launch them. I want to talk about what they are, why they work, and why neurodivergent brains friggin' love these babies, okay? So we're going to talk about them, not in a hustle way, not in a panic way, but we're going to normalize also that offers like this are really great for when we need a little cash infusion in our business, or if we're trying to bring more people into our business at a lower price point and bring them to a higher price point offer. There's so many reasons that cash infusion offers are excellent. I also want to mention that if you want to do a cash infusion offer as a free offer, that's absolutely a possibility as well. So there's all kinds of ways to look at what we're going to be talking about today. But what I really want to do is make sure you understand that cash infusion offers are a tool. And when I say that, I mean it this way. I don't want cash infusion offers to be the thing that you offer in your business all the time. Cash infusion offers are intentional. They are here to help you to grow some income when you need it most, or to help you to draw people into another offer. They're not here as a business strategy. And the reason for that is with especially neurodivergent people. And again, I'm not going to tell you what to do. If this is what you want to do, go ahead. But in my experience, launching over and over and over cash infusion offers, you are going to burn out. So be intentional when you're looking at doing cash infusion offers. I think January is a great time to consider a cash infusion offer. We just got off of Christmas, holiday time. Who doesn't like to start off the new year with a boost in our business where we got more people coming into our funnel, where we have more people excited about what we're doing? It's a great, great time. We have so much extra energy and excitement for our business usually in January. So it's a really good time to use that in a very strategic way. So like I said, a cash infusion offer, first thing we need to do is decide what it's for. Do you want to use this cash infusion offer to actually infuse cash into your business? Or are you wanting to use it primarily to grow your audience? Or are you wanting to use it to bring people into a funnel to sell them a higher price or something from your regular offer suite? Once you know the reason why you're doing it, it becomes a little easier to structure and launch it. So consider that first. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is figure out what kind of offer you actually do want to have. So like I said, this is a short-term intentional offer designed to bring in revenue quickly without rebuilding your entire business. This is not a random discount. This is not throw something at the wall panic move. This is not a forever offer. This is something fun and exciting that we can do to bring people in. You get excited, other people get excited. This is a perfect like neurodivergent thing. There's excitement around it, right? Okay, so some examples of what a cash infusion offer might be. First might be like a pop-up workshop. Maybe you want to have people join you once a week for 4 weeks, or maybe you want to have people join you for a few days a week where you actually do a workshop with them. They do work alongside you. You help them in a live setting, or you can do it through a virtual setting, whatever it is that you want to do. It could be a pop-up. It could be a webinar. Maybe it's information only. There's not really a work along with you. There's not a workbook offered with it. It's a webinar with information where you can help your ideal person to get something, gain something from this webinar. Or perhaps you want to do a challenge or a sprint. A challenge and a sprint, kind of the same thing. But I love the idea of that because especially in January, people are ready to go, ready to do something, ready to move forward, get the needle moving forward. So if you can help people somehow to do a sprint, maybe like something I've done a sprint for in my business in the past is helping people to sprint towards getting their first freebie built, launching their first freebie. So it's taking people through all the steps and doing it alongside each other with some accountability so that we get this done. Those are really cool cash infusion offers, but there's a million different ideas out there too. You could do like a limited time service, or maybe a short container could also be something where that you offer for a little while, or even a beta offer. But the key thing to remember is that it's going to leverage something that you already know, you already do, and you already have. And it should be something that's pretty easy to put together because this is something you're going to put together, be able to deliver without having to create a lot of extra work for yourself. Cash infusion offer is specifically designed to bring cash into your business. It can be used at other things, but I want you to think about it this way too. Cash infusion offer can create breathing room in your business. What it does is it funds these things for you. It funds rest for you. It gives you maybe some time, buys you time because you're going to put some effort into this launch. You're going to have some cash flow. Maybe it's some time you need off. It's going to fund bigger projects or help you to buy a tool that you really, really want. I think a cash infusion offer is an incredible way to fund other things in your business or to buy you rest and time. I also want to touch on why cash infusion offers are perfect for neurodivergent brains. Neurodivergent brains are really good at seeing something sparkly over here and wanting to go like, I want to go do that. And sometimes that's really tough in business because most of the time we need to be staying the course. Most of the time we need to be talking about the same thing over and over, right, in our business. But once in a while, we have these things that we really want to follow. And as long as we're intentional about it, as long as it follows intention and strategy within our business, this can be a really amazing novelty thing for us. It can give us that dopamine hit. It can give us some momentum. And not only that, but it gives us these clear timelines and a defined start, middle, and finish so that it's not something that can just go run wild for us, right? Because that's something that I don't know about you, but if I see something shiny and I start chasing it, I can completely forget about the things that are over here that actually are the foundation of my business that I need to give attention to. So a cash infusion offer, so long as it is intentional, then it's a really good thing to give us this dopamine hit, right? Because the dopamine hits when we get that idea, we execute it, we get the sales, we're delivering, we've finished, we're like, oh, it feels so good. We get this big dopamine hit from this, but it also gives us an opportunity to do that within a very defined set of time and space so that it's start and over. And when we're intentional with this, we can do this strategically throughout our year to infuse cash, to give us this dopamine hit, to have fun in our business, to maybe bring more people in. It's just like a little extra something that people can learn about what you do, or bring like a whole new set of people in because you're offering something that's a little bit outside of what you normally offer, maybe a lower price point, or maybe it's something completely different, but it also aligns with what you do. And people come on in and see what you're all about and enter your world. I want to talk to you about actually launching this now, because this is something we can get carried away with. I know I can get carried away with when I'm launching anything. I want to make it perfect. I want to make it big. I want to make it look the way I want it to look. When it's a cash infusion, quick offer like this, do not spend your time making this perfect. Okay. You don't need a sales page. What you need is a way for people to buy this from you and a place for them to show up. And you also want to make sure that the people are cared for throughout that. So when you're launching cash infusion offers, Keep that in mind. This is not a distraction. This is an intentional thing for your business. So make it as easy to set up as possible. And if you're looking for a way to set up your cash infusion offer in the best way possible, in a way that works for your brain, in the show notes, I have my Launch Your Cash Infusion Offer roadmap down there for you. It makes it really easy. It asks the right questions. It makes you stay on track, and it gets this thing launched for you. And once you've built it one time, it becomes easy to build again or to relaunch again, or to take that and duplicate it with a different offer, but with the same kind of structure. And that roadmap that I have down there for you to launch a cash infusion product, grab it. It is free, and it's going to help you to do that every single time. Easy peasy. Okay. So when you're thinking about a cash infusion offer, these are the things that I want you to keep in mind and remember. Start with something that you already know, something that's going to be easy for you to deliver, something that adds to your business but doesn't take a lot of time and effort, something people are asking you repeatedly in your DMs, or something that people are asking you for constantly. I want you to choose one problem, one outcome, and deliver it. Keep it simple. Don't offer multiple price points. Don't get all crazy with it. It is literally an easy offer to put together. Then you're going to grab that map down below. So once you've decided what you want to do, you're going to map it out. You're going to launch it. You're going to deliver it. It's done. Dopamine for everyone. Okay. And now I want to hear what cash infusion offer you're going to be launching in 2026. So make sure to get in my DMs and let me know what that is, because I sincerely want to hear about it. And I cannot wait to see what you do with that cash infusion launch map. Again, go grab that in the show notes. And until next time, keep becoming the woman who launches.